What's up, guys? So in this video, let's go ahead and check out another project. This time, the name of the project is Fantom Opera. So I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright, so Fantom Opera landing page link will be in the description of the video. Let's go ahead and check out their website and see what are the things that I feel you guys need to know the most. So let's start off with what is Fantom Opera. So Opera is a secure and fast environment to build decentralized applications. So basically, it's more of like the DeFi side again. It is fully permissionless and open source. So powered by Fantom's ABFT consensus algorithm. So ABFT consensus algorithm, it leverages its speed and fast finality, and it is ready for real-world applications with no risk of congestion or long confirmation times. That's actually good because that's one thing that the problem of other like blockchains and other projects, you know, the security as well as speed of like the processing and the turnaround time is compromised most of the time, especially if there are a lot of transactions coming in and out already off the blockchain. So the Fantom Opera mainnet is compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine, otherwise known as the EVM, and provides full smart contract support through Solidity. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out this one. So leaderless proof of stake, unlike traditional proof of stake systems where some validators decide on the validity of the transactions, Opera is completely leaderless. In other words, the validators do not determine which blocks are valid. So removing leaders increases the network security substantially. So you can stake on Opera with a minimum of 1 FTM, and if you have a strong technical background, if you're like a computer science or a computer engineering information technology graduate and you know have at least 1 million FTM, you can run a validator node, and here is the link on how you can become a validator. So fast finality, and then EVM compatibility and Solidity complier support. So by being fully compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine or the EVM, developers can write, deploy, and run smart contracts as they would on Ethereum, but on top of a faster consensus mechanism. So it is open source, just like what I mentioned earlier, and then acquiring Opera FTM. You can acquire mainnet FTM on some exchanges, including Binance, KuCoin, and alternatively, you can swap the ERC20 version using this link here. All right, so let's move on to the next. Real quick, guys, so this is Prime XBT, and let me just quickly show you the copy trading feature on this one. So just go on to copy trading. By the way, all of the link to this will be in the description of the video. And then once you are in copy trading, you will see the ones that are doing the trades, and you will be able to quickly follow whoever you would like. And I would strongly suggest that you find all those ratings that have 5 stars. So those are your priorities. So like this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and quickly follow this one, the first one, which is Quant24. I click on follow, it will show you this. Just click on continue. You could go ahead and check out the channel. That way you could see the entire review on Prime XBT and the ins and outs. So just click on that, and then we will put all the ones that we have in our wallet. So just click on max and then click on I confirm, follow that one, and it's going to follow that. So again, guys, do your own research. All of the links will be in the description of the video. So go ahead and check out Prime XBT. I want to show you like more information about them, including the team, where look at that, they show their faces. All right, let's start off with the About Us. The Fantom Foundation is dedicated to building the infrastructure for a more democratic and efficient future. And the team is made up of engineers, scientists, researchers, designers, and entrepreneurs who share the same vision. So as you could see here, guys, this is Michael Kong. This is the CEO. This is their director. They have a professor here. They have a PhD. They have another PhD. They have another PhD, another one here. So there are a lot of people that has like an extreme or a vast amount of experience in terms of how the system works or how stuff works. All right, so there's a lot of people behind this one. And again, guys, just like what I always mention on my past videos, if the team shows their faces, you know, it actually boosts the credibility of the project. I'm not saying that, again, 100% this project will boom, but it just adds up to, you know, you trusting the project a little bit more, comparing it to other projects wherein they're just showing cartoonish stuff in their website. Okay, next one would be the wallet. So you can store and send FTM and other assets, safely store FTM and Fantom based tokens including FUSDT and USDC. Fantom is fully capable or compatible with MetaMask, Ledger, and leading mobile wallets. So if you'll be asking me, how do I create the wallet there? So you could click on this, or you could click on this one, okay? And then once you click on this, it will take you to this page. Once you're here, if you want to connect your wallet, like your MetaMask, Ledger, Coinbase wallet, or Wallet Connect, you could connect it here. If you want to create your own wallet, you could do it as well here. You can create a wallet. If you have an existing wallet with them, you can restore it using this one. Okay, so that's kind of how the wallet works. It's kind of it's actually straightforward. There's no like rocket science way of how to do things. It's just the conventional one. All right, next one would be the Twitter account. So this is their Twitter account, guys. Fantom Foundation. Go ahead and check them out as well. They have a lot of social media platforms that you guys could check out. I would strongly suggest that you join them. So they have their Discord, Twitter, they have the Reddit, they have this one, GitHub, and the Medium, and they also have LinkedIn, guys. So go ahead and check them out. And just like what we always say, do your own research. That way, you would know the ins and outs and what are the things that you need to know in the project before you even start investing, okay? So this is their Twitter account. They have 470,000 followers in their Twitter account. So go ahead and follow that. Turn on the notifications. That way, when they have like airdrops, when they have giveaways and all those good stuff, you would always be notified first. All right. If you're new to the channel, guys, please consider subscribing. Go ahead and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.